Hi, I'm Jonathan Beck, Technical Program Manager at Unified Cloud. This video series is a Level 200 series to help you use CloudRecon. In this video, we'll go over how to refine data to give you a more accurate lift and shift cost. This is a lift and shift report you'll see when you click on the Lift and Shift Report tab under the Cloud Migration dropdown. Even with the automation of discovery and assessment, there are some aspects of the report you would need to change manually to give you an accurate reading of what the cost would be on Azure. Information such as whether a machine is used for production or dev and test would have to be inputted manually. One way to change these would be to provide our technical team at Unified Cloud with a list of all the machines and their machine type, or naming convention of the production and dev and test environment to change it in our backend. Or you can do this yourself. If you go to the Virtual Machine tab here, you'll be given all the information regarding the machines that are Azure ready. This means that they are eligible to migrate over to Azure. These lists are separated into different categories. Here you can choose to look at all the Windows machines or Linux machines. We don't see any Linux information here. However, for Linux, there are no subcategories because Linux machines do not change prices whether or not they're running SQL or not. For Windows machines, they are priced differently, so you can choose the subcategories here. You can choose whether to look at OS-only machines, SQL servers, or BizTalk servers. On the bottom drop-downs, you can filter the machines by different categories, and you can reset them here. You can also search for machines by using the search function on the right. The radio buttons above the search bar can be used to look at different prices according to different pricing models. You can choose from pay-as-you-go, 1 year reserved, and 3 year reserved. You can also choose to look at price with AHUB benefits. This will apply software assurance and Azure hybrid use benefits to all the machines. The first customization you can do is include or exclude the machines from migration considerations by clicking on the checkbox here. If the box is unchecked, it indicates that the machine will no longer be sized to migrate over to Azure, and it will also be excluded from the cost summary. Next, you can choose the region that the machine will reside in. By default, all machines will be sized to the US East region because it is the cheapest and the most common region. For this demo data, all machines were placed in the Asia Southeast region. You can see when you click on the dropdown, we support all the regions Azure currently supports. We have mentioned earlier that you can change the environment of your machine by yourself if you choose. With this dropdown to the right, you can choose whether the machine is a production machine or a dev and test machine. All non-production servers should be chosen as a dev and test, and you'll see a large price reduction. For example, this machine is priced at $105. With a dev and test environment, the price drops significantly. Lastly, if you click on the machine name, you'll see detailed information about the machine. You can change some of these detailed information by clicking on the blue pen to the left. It'll bring up a pop-up that shows you the configuration details. The grayed out portions are information that you'll not be able to change. This is because this was all received through the discovery data, and changes to these will require a reassessment of the whole environment. Some of the lesser impactful data, such as the NIC count, IOPS, network throughput, can be inputted, and these will later be used during the migration phase. You can also put in tags, groups, and roles for these machines to help you with the migration later. These might be important because you may want to only migrate small portions of your infrastructure at a time. Other than the customization, you can do other actions here too. You can download all of these information by clicking on the green XL button. You can also choose to download all the information or only a subset of them divided by different environment types. You can also upload a Microsoft licensing statement in the Lift and Shift MLS tab. This will give you a price according to the software assurance licenses you have already purchased with Microsoft. In this tab, you'll see pricing according to your licenses instead of the retail price, or prices with an assumption that all of the machines have SA benefits. Here, you can browse and upload the MLS file from your computer. That will be the end of this video. In this video, we have covered the data customization for the lift and shift costs. All the other videos will cover the remaining aspects of CloudRecon. Thank you.